Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from our vegan holiday menu series. My name is Danny McGee and today I'm going to show you how to make my Caribbean holiday menu. I'll be showing you how to make jerk mushrooms, quinoa and peas, plantain, cabbage, pineapple pomegranate salsa, sorrel, and sweet potato pudding. This menu is near and dear to my heart. This is the food that I grew up eating, and the holidays were made special with things like sorrel and sweet potato pudding. Coincidentally, I was filming this video within days of my late grandmother's birthday. For years, I had observed and helped her with making these very recipes, so it was a beautiful way to celebrate her heavenly birthday, and I feel her essence when I'm in the kitchen preparing these recipes. These recipes are a mix of tradition and dishes with a healthier plant-based twist. I hope you enjoy these recipes from my Jamaican family and culture. If you're finding this video on YouTube and you are not registered for our vegan holiday menu series, you can find the link in our description to get registered. And by registering, you get the grocery list for all of these menus, along with access to the videos, and a downloadable guide, our vegan holiday table, which is absolutely free, and you'll have even more recipes to share with your family this holiday season. First, let's make the Caribbean bowl, which consists of jerk mushrooms, quinoa and peas instead of rice and peas, cabbage, plantain, and my pineapple pomegranate salsa. Now we'll make some Jamaican pumpkin soup. Next, we'll make some sorrel. And for dessert, I'll be showing you how to make sweet potato pudding. And that's everything. This holiday menu is so special and flavorful, and a perfect way to introduce new flavors to your holiday table. And remember, if you're not registered for the Vegan Holiday Menu series, click the link in our description so that you don't miss any future videos. We'll see you in the next one. At Afro-Vegan Society, community matters. And this giving season, we're sharing stories of community because we believe that together we thrive. We're creating a future where everyone can thrive through accessible plant-based eating and vegan living. From free cooking demos and school programs to online resources reaching thousands worldwide. This Giving Tuesday and giving season, your support helps keep these vital programs free and growing. Join us because together we thrive. Donate at afrovegansociety.org.